How to enable or disable BSOD crash on Ctrl+ Scroll Lock in Windows 11. Windows 11 includes a hidden feature that lets advanced users and IT administrators trigger a forced BSOD by pressing Ctrl+ Scroll Lock twice. This is useful for kernel debugging, generating memory dump files, or testing crash recovery workflows. In this video, we'll show you how to enable or disable the BSOD crash shortcut safely. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Ctrl+ Lock BSOD Management Prerequisites. Before you use any of the methods, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Any version of Windows 11. The following methods won't work for any other Windows version. Administrator access APS2 or USB keyboard with a scroll lock key. The ability to enable a kernel or complete memory dump option. Ctrl+ Lock BSOD management methods. Method 1. Using Registry Editor. Advanced users and IT admins can use Registry Editor for a quick and straightforward method to configure individual devices. First, press Win+R, type regedit, and click Enter to open Registry Editor. Next, go to the appropriate path based on the keyboard you're using. If you're using a PS2 keyboard, go to. If you're using a USB keyboard, go to. Then, look for the Crash on Control Scroll value. If the value is not visible or does not exist, you must create it. To do so, right-click Parameters, then select New DWORD 32-bit value. Name this new value Crash on Control Scroll. Once the value is found or created, double-click it and change the value to 1 to enable BSOD crash using Ctrl+ Scroll, or 0 to disable it. Finally, close Registry Editor and restart your device to apply the changes. Method 2. Using PowerShell. For automated deployments and remote setups, users have the option to use a PowerShell script. First, open PowerShell as an administrator. Then run the appropriate script for your keyboard. For PS2 keyboards, run the command. For USB keyboards, run the command. Both scripts enable a BSOD crash using Ctrl+ Scroll Lock. To disable it, change the dash value from 1 to 0. To apply changes, close PowerShell and restart your computer. Triggering the BSOD crash. Once the feature is enabled, users can manually trigger a BSOD crash. First, press and hold Ctrl. Then press the Scroll Lock key twice. The system should immediately crash after. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable BSOD crash on Ctrl+ Scroll Lock in Windows 11, linked in the description below.